Right, muckers. Now, I'm currently working on the Dexter, the Super Major. Oh, and obviously this. Start doing some work on the Dozer, and I'll filming that as I go as well. But that's for later on. So while I'm sorting the other two out, I just thought I'd just do a little video for you, because I know a lot of you wanted to see some footage of when I was up at the auction, Ritchie Brothers, of some of the stuff I was playing with up there. So I've just put that together for you, and so I hope you enjoy that. But yeah, the Dexter and the Super Major updates will be out probably next week. But in between this, I may even stick another video out this week, just a short one, just to let you know what I've been up to with some other stuff that we've been doing, which I think those of you that follow me on Instagram and that you'll be aware of. Anyway, here's the latest toy up at Ritchie Brothers, and yeah, enjoy. So Ritchie Brothers have got another auction at the end of this week, and I'm up here looking at 5 machines for 3 different clients of mine. But obviously, while I'm up here, like ever, I'm going to try and have a play in something. Don't know what yet. Nice lineup of Dozers this time. Cats. Lovely Komatsus here. But anyway, let's go and find something that we can play with. Right, so last time we had the Cat 988G, but this time I'll try something a little bit smaller. Well, that was a bit of fun, but I think I've just spotted something else. Right, I didn't think I was ever going to beat that 988, but quick specs on this, 730 horse Cat V12, probably the same engine as in that dump truck actually. Anyway, big old beast. Oh, look, despite it being V12, she's eco-friendly. What a treat. Right, let's go and have a look. Right, let's see what we've got here. All lights. All systems go. Got another V12. There's no bucket on it. I don't want those tipping links dragging. Right, let's see what we can do then. Let's have a little shunt, I reckon. This is the world's most manoeuvrable bit of kit. My word, this is big. This is at another level. front. Feel the weight all on the back end, but here we go. Go on, you old bugger. Up another gear. It's like riding a dinosaur. Genuinely, you've got to be careful not to crush other loading shovels. Best bit is you're still like twice as far out as any other shovel in the lineup. Otherwise your back end will be in the next row behind. It's mad. Right, just pull that brake on. Parked. Well, let it sit. Cool down now. One of the stacks has come off. How much horsepower? Fucking all of it. That'll go back on there with a bit of glue, I think. How hot? Oh, she's toasty. She's toasty. We'll put it back on there and glue it on. That'd be lovely. You wouldn't even know. You know. You don't even have to worry about the stack blowing off. What's that noise? That ain't nothing like this V12, I can assure you. Right, so I'm just going to water my tree, and I think that'll do me for today. That would do me for good. I don't think now I can ever better this. So we've done the 988, which I thought was amazing. Did the big dump truck, phenomenal. But a 992, I just don't know where you can go from there. Is it that time again? It is. So well, anyway, muckers, I hope you enjoyed that somewhere as near as much as I did. That was something else. But like I said, I might put another video up later this week as well, just so you can see what we've been up to. For those of you that obviously follow me on Instagram, you'll see some pictures of what we've been doing. But for the rest of you, I said I might try and put together a little video. And in the meantime, we're going to carry on with the Dexter, aren't we? And the Super Major. And as I said, in time you'll see some bits on this. Anyway, there we go, muckers. So until the next one, do well.